Welcome to your free English lesson. This series will focus on subjects and objects. This lesson will explore what makes a subject. It is important to write when you are asked to. It helps you to learn. You can use a whiteboard, but ideally a notebook would be best. That way, you can keep a record of your learning. There are 4 intended learning outcomes to achieve by the end of the lesson. 1. We are learning to define the subject in a sentence. 2. We are learning that the subject in a sentence does the action. 3. We are learning how to identify the subject in a sentence. 4. We are learning that the subject can be more than one word. Follow this sentence frame. Subject plus verb. She runs. Who does the action? The subject, which is she. Ali plays. Who does the action? The subject, which is Ali. Dogs bark. Who does the action? The subject, which is dogs. This lesson will look at different kinds of subjects: pronouns, proper nouns, common nouns, noun groups, and compound subjects. These pronouns are used for subjects in a sentence. I will say each pronoun. I will pause. When I pause, you repeat the pronoun. I, you. This is for singular and plural subjects. He, she, it, we, they. Follow this sentence frame. Subject plus verb plus object. She opens the door. Who does the action? The subject, which is she. We share books. Who does the action? The subject, which is we. They eat dinner. Who does the action? The subject, which is they. Notice that the subjects in these sentences are all pronouns. These proper nouns can be used for subjects in a sentence. Proper nouns are names of people, places, and things. This is a very small list of examples. Notice they always begin with a capital letter. I will say each proper noun. I will pause. When I pause, you repeat the proper noun. Anna, India, Google, Disney, YouTube, Sam, Egypt. Follow this sentence frame. Subject plus verb plus object. Sam draws a flower. Who does the action? The subject, which is Sam. Egypt has pyramids. What is being described? The subject, which is Egypt. Subjects in a sentence can also be described rather than physically doing an action. Disney makes movies. Who does the action? The subject, which is Disney. These common nouns can be used for subjects in a sentence. Common nouns are general words that identify people, animals, places, and things. This is a very small list of examples. I will say each common noun. I will pause. When I pause, you repeat the common noun. Friend, boy, girl, lion, street, bag, toy. Follow this sentence frame. Subject plus verb plus object. The lion roars. Who or what does the action? The subject, which is the lion. The bag holds heavy items. What does the action? The subject, which is the bag. Toys entertain children. What does the action? The subject, which is toys. Notice that the subjects in these sentences are common nouns. Singular common nouns are usually preceded by an article or a determiner. Plural nouns can stand alone. Consider these sentences. Dog is sleeping. The big dog is sleeping. Is the subject still dog in the second sentence? Yes. Do we say only dog? No. Singular common nouns are usually preceded by an article or a determiner. The subject can be a noun group. The articles in English are a or an, which means one. For example, a cat is outside. The, which means this one or we know the one. For example, the cat is hungry. Some determiners in English are my, his, her. For example, my cousin plays soccer. This, that. For example, this book is heavy. Some. For example, some students are late. The subject is the whole group. Article, the. Adjective, big. Adjective, brown. Noun, dog. Subject, the big brown dog. The big brown dog is barking at the bird. The subject is a noun group, which includes the adjectives. The adjectives describe the subject, explaining exactly which noun the sentence is about. Determiner, this. Adjective, popular. Noun, sports. Noun, car. Subject, this popular sports car. This popular sports car has power. Sometimes nouns can describe other nouns. The main noun in this sentence is car. Sports is a noun modifier. It describes the car. The subject is a noun group. Determiner, these. Adjective, delicious. Noun, vegetables. Subject, these delicious vegetables. These delicious vegetables will be perfect. The subject is a noun group. article, the, noun, park, preposition, over, article, the, noun, bridge, subject, the park over the bridge. The park over the bridge has just opened. This sentence is about the park. Over the bridge describes which park is meant. The park over the bridge is a noun group. Two or more people, animals or things can also be a subject in a sentence. They are usually joined with and or. Compound subject, the boys and girls. The boys and girls are running. Compound subject, tea, coffee, or hot chocolate. Tea, coffee, or hot chocolate is fine. Compound subject, my brother and I. My brother and I walk to school. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. It usually does the action or is being described. A subject can be a pronoun, a proper noun, a common noun, a noun group, or a compound subject. Find the subject of the sentence and underline it. 1. Australia is a large country. 2. He likes chocolate ice cream. 3. The car stopped suddenly. 4. My younger sister loves drawing. 5. Emma and Jack went to the library. 6. A basket of fresh fruit sat on the table. 7. Our class is learning about chemical science. 8. Charlie lives next door. 9. The tall building across the street is new. 10. Those colourful flowers smell nice. Pause the video. The next slide contains the answers. Check your answers. 1. Australia is a large country. The subject is Australia. 2. He likes chocolate ice cream. The subject is he. 3. The car stopped suddenly. The subject is the car. 4. My younger sister loves drawing. The subject is my younger sister. 5. Emma and Jack went to the library. The subject is Emma and Jack. 6. A basket of fresh fruit sat on the table. The subject is a basket of fresh fruit. 7. Our class is learning about chemical science. The subject is our class. 8. Charlie lives next door. The subject is Charlie. 9. The tall building across the street is new. The subject is the tall building across the street. 10. Those colourful flowers smell nice. The subject is those colourful flowers. Here is an extender for anybody who would like a challenge. Match each sentence to the correct subject type. Pronoun, proper noun, common noun, noun group, compound subject. 1. The old house on the hill looks empty. 2. Lucas forgot his bag. 3. My cousin and I share a room. 4. Dogs need exercise. 5. The girl with the red backpack is new. 6. She answered the question. 7. The teacher and the principal spoke to us. 8. Apples grow on trees. Pause the video. The next slide contains the answers. Check your answers. 1. The old house on the hill looks empty. The old house on the hill is a noun group. 2. Lucas forgot his bag. Lucas is a proper noun. 3. My cousin and I share a room. My cousin and I is a compound subject. 4. Dogs need exercise. Dogs is a common noun. 5. The girl with the red backpack is new. The girl with the red backpack is a noun group. 6. She answered the question. She is a pronoun. 7. The teacher and the principal spoke to us. The teacher and the principal is a compound subject. 8. Apples grow on trees. Apples is a common noun. Thank you for watching this video. Watch it as many times as you need to master the intended learning outcomes. I hope that the content helped you to learn more about what makes a subject. Please like and subscribe for more lessons. There is a lot to learn, so don't give up. Keep believing in yourself and you will learn. See you next time. Bye.